So in this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your missing secure folder on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So if you've created a secure folder and you can no longer find it either on your home screen or in the apps drawer, then I'll be showing you how you can restore it so that it's easy for you to access it. So the first step is to open the Settings app, and then you want to scroll and select Security and Privacy. From here, tap on More Security Settings and then select Secure Folder. Next, use your verification method to identify yourself, whether it's your PIN, password, or pattern, or even a registered and added fingerprint. Then once you've done that, you can see this option, Add Secure Folder to App Screen in your Secure Folder settings. So all you need to do is just tap on the toggle next to it to enable it. And once you've done that, you'll now notice when you close the Settings app and you navigate back to the home screen or to the app screen, your secure folder has been restored. So now you can go ahead and access any of the items that were in your secure folder on your tablet. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.